In this video, you'll learn how to edit your review on Wecasa, as the platform does not provide a direct option for deletion. By following these steps, you will be able to modify your existing feedback effectively, ensuring your review reflects your current thoughts and experiences. To begin the process, locate the original satisfaction survey link that was sent to you via email after your appointment. This link is essential for accessing your review. If you are unable to find the email, consider checking your spam or junk folder, as sometimes automated emails can be filtered there. Next, if you prefer to use the Wecasa app, open the application on your device. Once the app is launched, navigate to the section labeled My Appointments. This area contains a history of your past services and associated reviews, making it simple to find the review you wish to modify. After you locate the appointment related to your review, click on the survey link provided. This action will direct you to a page where you can edit your ratings and comments. Take your time to make any necessary changes to ensure that your feedback accurately represents your experience. You can update any part of your review using this method, adjust your star ratings or rewrite your comments as needed. Once you're satisfied with the modifications, look for a button that says Submit or Save to finalize your changes. This step is crucial. Without saving, your edits will not be applied. If you prefer to have your review completely removed instead of edited, it is recommended to reach out to Wecasa's customer support team for assistance. They can guide you through the process of having your review deleted, as this action requires their intervention. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.